I think I found the nastiest thing today. Oh God, dude, come on. Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're doing something kind of different. We're actually gonna clean up trash out of the oceans. And we're in Minnesota. Ask me how I'm gonna do that. The Mississippi motherfucking river. We were all invited as content creators by Mr. Beast and Team Seas to do a challenge where you pick up 30 million pounds of garbage out of the oceans, but part of that is getting it out of the rivers before it even hits the oceans. So what we're doing today is we're gonna take the mopeds, the motorcycles, out for a cruise, and we're gonna pick up as much garbage as we can. So the deal is here, the mopeds team, me and Mason, against Robbie and Mitch, whoever can pick up the most trash by the end of the day at several parks is gonna be the winner. And the losers, are we going in the river?
Well, I'm not losing, so yeah.
Yeah, we're going in the river. All right, loser goes in the river. It's really cold, it's Minnesota, so it's gonna suck.
We're already winning.
We're gonna cheat a little bit, I think, right off the rip. I got a bunch of garbage in my car, we're definitely filling.
I know, I just got the garbage out of my car. Slam dunk it.
Watch them come back with just a...
Yes! We got our first piece of trash. Bam, a bottle.
Sweet.
Does this count?
That counts.
It's got paint on it. It's heavy. That's not good for the environment. Paint's not good, man.
Probably lead though.
It's most definitely lead. Ooh, Jesus.
I really don't want to go in that river.
No. I don't know why I brought it up. Everyone brought it up.
I did too, and I don't know why I did.
What is this? Hang on, what did you find?
Pants.
Inspect. Inspect. That looks a little crusty.
It does look.
It does.
Oh, I'm touching them.
But ew. No gloves.
We should have used the.
Oh,
No
good.
gloves. Yeah, what the f? Where's my gloves at?
They in your pocket?
No, they're on the truck.
All right. Well, dude, that's kind of freaky. There's just pants down by the river. Hey-o. We onto something.
We got at least 2 pounds already.
Yeah, those pants are gonna help.
Oh yeah.
We can get those wet before we weigh it.
Do it. Good idea.
Does it matter? Okay, hang on. It's so... Yeah, I mean, they're gonna do the same thing, right?
Yeah, well, there was no questions on what we can and can't do.
It's by weight, right? It's like a garden hose.
That counts.
I don't want to throw it over there. It could go in the river. That's the whole point of it. Like, we're gonna win.
Let's see your garden hose.
Isn't that weird? There's 3 things right here. Sweet, a glass beer bottle. Oh,
That looks like a dildo. What is that?
that's a balloon.
Oh no,
it's
balloons you connect to the string.
No. That's definitely hard.
It's a dog toy.
That's a butt plug.
I'm so thirsty. Did that look real?
Is that a rope swing?
Yeah. I'll swing on it for you.
Did you put that up?
No. I'm gonna take it down though because it needs to be.
Well, I don't understand why, How deep's the river?
Not very deep.
There you go. Inchworm it.
I got a new pack of hot sauce and some eye drops that are still full. That way when my eyes water from this hot sauce. I feel like we're winning for sure.
Oh yeah.
I really do.
We're onto something. Look at that. Look at that. Look at these. Look at them. Look at. There's more. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're winning.
For sure.
No way. Hang on. What are you grabbing?
Well, there's a bag of dog poop hanging from a bushel there. It's gonna but hey.
I mean. Oh, boy.
Maybe it's human poop.
Maybe. Maybe it's a bag of drugs. Oh, wow. Dude,
I'm getting this chair.
what are you doing? Dude, hang on. Let me get the... Look at you, monkey. Here.
There we go. We're getting this nasty ass chair.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
There we go.
All right, kick it. There we go. Oh.
Did you get that?
Yeah. Oh, gross. Dude.
They're going in the river, not us.
Ah.
Now you see it. It better not.
Oh, what's this? Oh. More fishing stuff. Doesn't weigh much, but you know,
Every little bit.
every little bit counts. Ooh! Oh! See, that's extra dangerous, man.
Is that a fishing lure?
Yeah, children
like
could
a
be
dog or
swimming.
something.
Bag open. Alright.
All right. Oh, they do got a chair.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Jeez, you guys went hard.
Feel that.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, you guys.
A lot of glass. Sweet.
All right.
Fishing lure and ratchet. Oh yeah, you guys are toast.
We'll do this. All right. I'm taking my shoes off. I don't want to get my bathroom scale dirty. How much?
Who's gonna know how much you
Oh,
weigh?
yeah.
Holy crap.
201.8. All right. 204 even. So what is that? 2.2 pounds.
Something like that.
2.2
Rack
pounds.
it up. Ding, ding, ding,
2.2
ding,
pounds
ding,
of garbage we did. 176.8. So what is that? 13 pounds?
Oh.
13 pounds of garbage? Ding, 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 ding. Dude. 3 times as
Man,
much garbage
that
as us.
river is looking chilly.
Yeah.
Once it's warm, she runs like a gem. You're not allowed to drive it though, because I know your ass going over backwards.
Can I drive it just a little bit?
No!
Why?
I seen the Seaboys video, bro.
This is not gonna end. We're at the next location. We got the missing person. The missing link is what he looks like.
How are you now? Not so bad.
Good and you. So now the teams are complete and we can actually do this for real. So we're at a boat launch, which is the next park on the thing, on the journey. First piece. All right. I think I found the nastiest thing today so far. Oh, I got some. Oh God, dude. Come. Oh, come on. Some skivs. Some skivs, maybe a sweatshirt. Oh, what are these? Sweatpants? What happened here?
Gotta be a condom in the area somewhere.
Does it have any chocolate starfish stains on it?
I found the first one. I found the first garbage. I'm not getting wet today. Beginning of the crime scene. You gotta go to the parking lot sometimes because I'm sure everyone gets in a vehicle and decides to dump their trash. Look at this. Look at that.
I got some weed. I cleaned up where they were trying to get garbage before they went to it.
Look at that. It's a lot of garbage in there. Doing good. I say we hit up. I say we take another 15-pound lead right here.
6 pounds.
6.6 pounds.
Nice. Nice.
Or 179.
How much is that?
9 pounds.
9 pounds. So we got 22 pounds to you guys is.
So we got 30 pounds total though.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
That's not bad at all.
30 pounds of garbage in 2 places.
Currently en route to stop number 3.
Team motorcycle and team moped, right? Those are the teams.
Yeah, those are the two. Those guys right there.
Motorcycle is in the lead, hardcore. Look at all that.
Oh yeah, by at least 18 pounds. We have officially picked up 30 pounds?
30 pounds.
30 pounds of trash at this point.
I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting that much trash. Like I was like, I guess I didn't know what to expect, but definitely not 30 pounds in 2 stops.
And we've maybe been at this for an hour, tops.
Oh, so here we are at spot number 3. We're behind a lot. We got to catch up a little bit, but this park's already looking promising. So we're gonna clean it up a little bit more than it. We don't know where this park goes, but we're gonna see if we can find all the garbage in it. All right, let's go. I'm kind of trying to get the bird's eye view here.
Oh my god! Oh, there's shoe pieces. There's a bunch of it out here. We're not going in the water! Yes, dude! I love cleaning the ocean.
Is it heavy?
Yeah, it's definitely like 40 pounds, 50 pounds.
Nice. Gold Peak.
What do we got here? An old realtor sign?
Oh my Pretty dead. I think he's buried. Oh. Good job, Robbie. You got it. Oh, crusty and dirty. Yeah. Careful, dude. Look at this.
I know, I saw that. Yeah. Hey, throw that in here.
I'll grab the other too.
Okay.
It's kind of like a tire. Oh my gosh.
That's why I put it down. There you go. There you go. That one's the one I grabbed.
Nothing.
Something really heavy.
Part of a couch over there.
Yeah, we probably got like 40 pounds of weight. Oh yeah. There's 20 for sure.
Jesus. How the hell are we gonna get all this shit out?
We're gonna get it out of there.
See these little streams? They're full of trash.
There's a lot of good stuff at this one.
Not a lot of plastic, but.
Was that on fire at one time?
Oh my god. That's not trash. What is it?
247.8.
That was up 99.
Yeah.
225? Oh my god!
50 pounds.
Yeah, you That's 60 pounds!
60 plus 30 plus 30?
Pretty much, yeah.
126
You guys are
pounds.
going in the freaking.
You guys took out like 125, 20, probably 130 at that. This is it. We pulled out over 200 pounds of garbage at 3 different parks. So I think we saved the oceans in Minnesota. It's pretty spectacular.
210 pounds, so that's that much closer to 300 million or 30 million?
30 million pounds
It's
of
that much
garbage
closer
out
to
of
30 million.
Yeah. So you know you have 29 million, 299,900 and something, 980 or something like that pounds. No, 800, 600, 700, I don't know. There's still a lot left, so go do your part. Pick up some garbage out of the water. That leaves one thing. We made a deal. Are we both getting in the water?
Yes, you both
I think you should get it.
Why just me? We're a team. We're going in the water.
Well, I'm not losing, so yeah. I feel like we're winning for sure.
3, 2, 1.
It's so cool!
Jim just runs in. I'm in. I'm out.
I might just wear this out.